This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi feels slower, not because of the engine, but because of a tiny component you've probably never checked? No warning lights, no clear symptoms, just silent performance loss. Now think about this. Modern Audi engines rely on sensors to make decisions in real time. Fuel injection, airflow, timing, everything is controlled electronically. And one of the most important sensors is the airflow sensor, also known as the MAF sensor. This small component measures how much air enters your engine. And based on that information, your car decides how much fuel to inject. Now here's the problem. Over time, this sensor gets dirty. Dust, oil particles, and debris build up on its surface. And when that happens, the readings become inaccurate. Now your engine is making decisions based on wrong data. Too much fuel, too little fuel, unstable combustion. And that leads to reduced power, slower acceleration, higher fuel consumption, rough engine response. But here's the scary part. There's usually no warning light, because the sensor still works, just not correctly. So you keep driving, thinking everything is fine, but your Audi is slowly losing performance. Now imagine this, same car, same engine, one clean sensor, one dirty sensor. A completely different driving experience for the same car. Before we go deeper, quick reminder, if you want to unlock hidden performance and understand your Audi, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now here's the key idea. Your Audi depends on accurate data. If the data is wrong, everything is wrong. In the next part, I'll show you how to identify this problem, fix it safely, and restore lost performance instantly. Because sometimes, the biggest performance upgrade is just removing dirt. So now the real question is this: how do you fix it and make your Audi feel faster instantly? Because the solution is much simpler than you think, and most drivers never do it. Let's go step by step. Start by opening your Drive Select menu. Depending on your Audi, you'll find it in MMI, Vehicle, Drive Select. Now look at the current mode. If it's set to efficiency, that's your problem. Switch it to dynamic immediately. Now pay attention to what happens. Throttle response becomes sharper. Acceleration feels more direct. Gear shifts happen later. The car holds power longer, and suddenly, your Audi feels alive again. But here's where things get even better. Most drivers stop here, but they're missing the real upgrade: individual mode. This is where you unlock the full potential. Go into Drive Select, Individual. Now you can customize everything. Let's set it the smart way. Engine to dynamic. This gives you instant throttle response. No delay, full power when you press the pedal. Transmission to dynamic. This keeps the engine in the power band. Faster shifts, better acceleration. Now here's the trick most people don't know. Steering to comfort. Why? Because you keep the car responsive, but easier to control in daily driving. This gives you the perfect balance. Performance plus control. Now let's talk about something very important. Start-stop system. In efficiency mode, it activates aggressively. In dynamic mode, it activates less, meaning better response when you accelerate again, and less delay at traffic lights. Now here's the key concept. Your Audi is not slow, it's configured to be efficient. And if you don't change these settings, you're driving a limited version of your car. Fix this, and you instantly improve how your car feels. No tuning, no upgrades, no money. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever used individual mode? Or do you always stay in efficiency or comfort? Write it in the comments, and if you want, tell me your Audi model. I'll give you the perfect setup for your car, because once you understand this, you stop thinking your car is the problem, and you realize it was just a setting all along. Now let's bring everything together, because this is where a small problem becomes a big opportunity. Most Audi drivers think performance loss comes from major issues, engine problems, expensive components. But as you've seen, sometimes it's just a dirty sensor, and fixing it takes minutes. Now here's the real difference. If you clean the MAF sensor alone, you already restore lost accuracy. That means more precise fuel injection, better combustion, smoother engine behavior. But if you combine this with the right elements, the effect becomes much stronger. Let's build the complete picture. Step 1. Clean MAF sensor. This restores correct airflow readings. Step 2. Replace or clean your air filter. This ensures clean air continues to flow, no new dirt entering the system. Step 3. Check your intake path. Even small obstructions or leaks affect airflow. Fixing them improves efficiency instantly. Now combine all three. You've just optimized the entire air intake system. And this is where the real gains appear, because your engine is now working with clean air, correct data, efficient combustion. Now let's talk about results. When everything is working correctly, you can realistically notice up to plus 10 to 15% better throttle response, smoother acceleration, more consistent power delivery. Not because your engine became more powerful, but because it stopped working with bad data. And that's the key idea. Performance is not always about adding. Sometimes it's about removing errors. Now here's something most drivers never realize. When your engine runs efficiently, everything improves. Driving becomes smoother. Acceleration becomes predictable. The car feels lighter, more alive. Same car, different experience. Now imagine driving for months with a dirty sensor. Your brain adapts. You think, this is normal, but it's not. You've just been driving with reduced performance. And once you fix it, the difference feels huge. Before we go deeper, quick reminder, if you want to unlock hidden performance and understand your Audi, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Because once you understand how your Audi really works, you stop guessing and you start fixing the real problems. And sometimes, the biggest upgrade you can make is simply cleaning one small part.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.